Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today, as you can see, we are working in TestOut Ethical Hacker Pro. Bravo that you made it this far. So as you can see, we are going to perform enumeration of MSSQL with Metasploit. So this shouldn't be a very long video, but okay, we are an ethical hacker consultant working for CorpNet. CorpNet wants you to discover weakness in their public-facing service from outside CorpNet network. You have discovered one of the Windows servers named www.3.corpnet.xyz with an IP address of 198.28.1.3. And keep this number in mind right here, you guys. And right here, you believe Microsoft SQL Server is installed on this server, but it doesn't respond to the default TCP port of 1433. So in this lab, your task is to use this right here. Hold on, let me highlight. Da, 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 da. Okay, so let's get down to business, and everything I just said is all right here. The IP address on yours may change, so just keep that in mind. Okay, this is Metasploit, so we want to click on there, and because I have this running on a gigantic screen, I always have to pull it up. So what we want to type right here is use auxiliary /scanner /MSSQL /MSSQL underscore ping. Hit enter. And as you can see, it's up there. So type show options, enter, da 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 da. Okay, so now what we want to do is set the host. So set our host 198.28.1.3, and then we will hit enter and show options. Oops, can't spell. Show options. Hit enter. Exploit. And enter. And as you can see, this is what we got. And which port is the Microsoft SQL server using on this? As you can see, it is 1511. So let's put that in. And hopefully the TestOut gods agree with us. We will find out, and we pass. So thank you to the TestOut gods, and thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the little bell. Okay. See you guys later.